we don't want to hardcode the header title right here within the component, because we cannot reuse it if we want to use this header component elsewhere with a different heading. So let's go ahead and create a new property called title for our header component. Pass the value here and access this attribute or property in header like this, right? Save it. Just make sure it still works as expected. Yeah, it does. Now let's go ahead and create add component with 2 text inputs and a button. Create a new file, call it as add.jsx, and so this is our add component. Let's give text input, type is text, and we also have these values called enter company name and enter company description in the text input. So let's give that in the placeholder. Finally, add a button. Label it as add. Right. Save this component. Go to company management. Just below the header, let's add our add component. Let's import it as well. Save it. Make sure there are no errors. Refresh. So there we have 2 text inputs and a button. Let's go ahead and style it. Let's give this a class name of row, which is a bootstrap class, and let's create another div and put the first text input inside it and give it a class called call med2. This is again a bootstrap class which tells that the text input should be 2 columns wide in medium ranged devices. Alright, let's do the same for the other text input as well, and let's give a class name of form control for our text input. Okay, save it. refresh. Looks nice. Now let's add also some styling. btn success, which gives it a green color. Save it, refresh. Great. So we have added the add component. Now in the next one, let's go ahead and create companies list. Stay tuned and subscribe. Cheers.